What is up, YouTube? I'm going to show you something really cool. I'm going to show you what's inside of the blue batteries. I have two of the newer versions. Actually, I have more of the batteries laying around because I bought them when they were $1 and they were on sale as far as the starter kits go. But anyway, I just discovered that these actually pop out, and there is the battery portion in here. So I'm going to show you what's inside of that if you've never popped one of these open before. There's the pod, by the way. I actually pop these open and fill them with my own juice too. You can get it from the corner there. Pop this open. That little rubber piece in the middle also comes back out. You need to put that rubber piece back on to the top of the coil part. It puts or it'll slide into place where the plastic is around the coil there. So pop that bottom part out and pop that middle piece out, and then you can fill the juice all the way down. It is a bottom filler, and then as you can see, there is some juice in there. So that is my pod, and then this is what's inside of these. So let me show you guys exactly what's going on here. Let me remove that. There's that. So this is actually what is powering the blues, and there are rubber seals up and down, so the battery stays pretty protected as far as that goes, but you still don't want to get water in the charging port. Anyway, that's the battery that we're looking at as far as the blue batteries go. Pretty interesting. Just wanted to show you really quick on what it was inside the blue eCigs, and that's exactly it. And then you got two negative and positive prongs going up to power the pod from firing. And there is no button on these. It is activated by inhaling through the pod here. So pretty interesting, pretty well put together. Just wanted to show you exactly what was inside of these bad boys.